Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and switch on the notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by simply searching to Google. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section below if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Let me now show you 3 distinct websites which will pay you by simply searching to Google, having started with the cheapest and scale it up. So, the best paying website will be near the conclusion of the video, and don't skip it because combining all 3 websites will improve your earnings. I'll show you why the second website is my personal favorite and why the third website will bring you the most money. Anyway, the first website is InstaGC, which is already instagc.com, where GC stands for gift cards and Insta stands for instantly. So with this one, you will be paid instantly for browsing the internet. There are a variety of ways to make money with this website. You may earn money by doing surveys, watching movies, shopping online, and getting cash back, and exploring the web, which is exactly what we came for. That is why we will get compensated by this website. You can, of course, watch movies and earn money if you want to gain more applications and money from this website. I discourage people from participating in surveys since they are tiresome and time-consuming and they don't pay well. Instead, if you want to make even more money, I propose focusing just on searching the internet and possibly watching videos because watching videos requires no work on your part. You simply press the video's play button and it begins to play. You will be reimbursed even if you do not actively watch it, which is excellent. To begin, go to instagc.com and register to earn money by just browsing Google. You can connect from your Facebook, Twitter, or Google accounts. Or you can create a username, enter your account's password, retype the same password, and enter your email address if you don't have any of these accounts. You will gain 10 free points for registering. If you have more points, you will undoubtedly be able to earn more money. Now, let me show you proof of earnings to show you that people are making money with this website. As you can see, they're being paid directly to their PayPal account. It's $50 to their PayPal account, $52, $69, $81, $50, $61, and so on. So, a lot of people use this website and a lot of people make money using this website. So it's a pretty good one. It's called instagc.com. But once again, this is the lowest paying one. So stay tuned to see how much more money you may make. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Cashcake.com is the second website that will pay you to search Google and surf the web. And it is also my personal favorite. So there's already Cashcake.com, but this one won't give you gift cards, points, or coins. Instead, it'll give you cash. As you can see, the most useful incentive they'll give you is money, which they'll deposit into your account in exchange for all fun things you're already doing on the internet. As a result, they provide a range of opportunities for you to make money online, including doing surveys, locating great deals, watching movies, and of course, surfing the web. All you have to do now is sign up for an account on our website. They'll provide you a list of terms to search on Google, and you'll get paid for doing so frequently. Now, if you want to get the most out of this website and make more money, you should definitely complete them as well as watch movies, which, as I indicated at the beginning of this video, is my favorite and possibly the easiest method. That's without a doubt one of the most straightforward ways to make money online without having to work. You can now see that you can get started right away, that you can get paid straight away from your PayPal account, and that joining our website is entirely free. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You must find and complete your objective. They will pay you if you create an account, find a mission, and begin browsing the internet. You might see an increase in your earnings in your account and decide to cash out early and regularly. As a result, Cashkick has the lowest payer threshold on the market, and your funds are deposited quickly, securely, and easily. You can cash out your money for as little as $5 per transaction, so you don't have to wait until you have hundreds of dollars. You will be paid the following business day almost instantly in your PayPal account. You can also read many testimonials from people who have profited from this website after using it for a long period. I have conducted extensive study on all of the websites I'm sharing with you, and I discovered that the majority of people enjoy how they operate. They're getting paid in a very short amount of time. As usual, I do not recommend completing surveys because they are tiresome and dull. Surveys can be aggravating at times, but unless you're starving for points, don't complain about it. I recommend that either you surf the web or watch videos or both to improve your results. The first thing you should do is visit cashkick.com. Simply enter your email address, create a password for your account, then click the Get Started button to get started right away. You'll start your search on the internet and start saving money. Last but not the least, it pays to search Google, and AskWonder.com is the website that pays the most money. Therefore, this takes precedence over AskWonder.com. They will pay you to do Google research for them because they can see that you can produce high-quality research rapidly. Each assignment you finish will earn you a large sum of money. This will, of course, be a little more difficult than the other two websites, but it will pay 10 times as much. So if you want to make a lot more money, utilize these websites. If you just want to make some quick money, use the first two websites. However, when it comes to this one with AskWonder.com, many are stating that once the assignment is completed, they can make hundreds of dollars every day. So how does this function in practice? Well, AskWonder is a platform that connects other entrepreneurs such as scientists or business owners who are looking for answers and are willing to pay AskWonder to find the researchers who can supply those answers. What do you need to do to get started making money with AskWonder.com? AskWonder.com will pay us to do the research. To begin, go to AskWonder.com and then click here to register as a researcher. Don't try below, don't create a team account, and don't do anything like that right now because you obviously don't want to pay any money. Go to the section that says Become Researchers and click there. You may watch and learn how you can make money by using your intellect. All you have to do now is type in your first and last names, your email address, create a password, and select your departure city. Simply click after that, I'm not a robot, and if you agree to the fantastic terms of service and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking one of these two links, you'll be signed up for this website. As a result, this is how it works in reality. You create an account as I just shown you, and then they assign you projects and requests to work on, telling you that you'll need to do some research. Number 3 is that you will go to Google and search until you find the answer. And once you do, you will simply go back to step 1, which is to submit your work, celebrate, and be paid, and then spend the money on whatever you want. In a nutshell, that's how AskWonder works. They will pay you a lot more money, but it will be a little tougher than the other two websites, as I previously indicated. It is, however, a terrific service that I appreciate. I did a lot of research on this one, and you may do the same if you want to. Simply searching for whether AskWonder is genuine will reveal that many people are making a lot of money on this website. That concludes the 3 websites that I wanted to propose to you. They'll pay you to conduct nothing more than a Google search. The first was instagc.com, which immediately compensated you in gift cards. It won't be much, but they'll pay you soon for doing nothing but using the web, and it's by far the simplest option. The second one was cashkick.com, which pays you to surf the web and conduct Google searches and deposit payments directly into your PayPal account. This is a personal favorite of mine. AskWonder.com was the third choice, which is a little more challenging but pays much more money. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you in the next video.